We'll all win in a drag race between the new Lamborghini Temerario and its bigger brother, the Lamborghini Revuelto. Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. So we have the Temerario, one of the first in the UK. This could be really embarrassing for Lamborghini if their entry-level car beats their top-of-the-range car. It's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 3 electric motors, hybrid, 920 horsepower, 730 newton-meters of torque. The Revuelto has a 6.5-litre naturally-aspirated V12, 3 electric motors, hybrid, 1015 horsepower and 1060 newton-meters of torque. On paper, I'm giving it to the Revuelto, but in reality, could be different. Let's start off with a drag race. Here we go, first driving a Temerario. Just got to get a feel of it before we launch it. Blimey, it feels quite thrusty. This car has just come straight from the dealership, and the chap who owns it, Joe, I can't believe he's letting us drag race it straight away, but here we are. I wasn't going to say no. You should check him out on his Instagram. He does watches. It's cool actually if you're into watches, but more importantly, you've got to keep watching this, because I think there's going to be an upset. I hope there's going to be an upset. I don't want to give it full beans yet. I just want to experience it for the first time in the launch. Let's see if it will engage launch. Have you noticed it's so new? Look, we've still got the cover on the driver's display. Will it engage thrust mode? Thrust mode is possible. Right, let's head down to the line and give it some thrust. I just want to speak to Sean, who owns the Revuelto. Sean, do you think you might be about to sell your Revuelto?
I have a sneaky feeling that that's going to be a little bit quicker than this, despite official figures.
We're going to find out. We don't know. We don't know. That's what we're here for.
3.
Similar launch. I'm ahead.
Come on.
Oh, it's close. Come on.
That's close.
It's going to do it. Had some wheel spin, but it's going to do him on this run. That is the way to experience a car for the very first time, but it's close. Sean, that was real close. It's on the launch, isn't it?
Yeah, that was really, really close, that then.
This is not a foregone conclusion. First blood definitely to the Temerario, but we need to do best 3 out of 5 to be sure. Before that though, we need to check the car's pulling power. So I'll meet you back down on the starting line. It's so new, it's given off a smell because it's never been that hot before. Poof! It smells like pilau rice. I would have thought that it would smell like fettuccine. No. All right, Sean, what we're going to do now is a race over the half mile from 50 miles an hour. We're going to go in sport mode, which is how most people will drive these cars on a daily basis, and hybrid mode, but automatic mode for the gearbox. I'll count it in, and then we'll race the half mile, see which car wins.
Yep, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. It's okay, just to kick down and he's ahead. Don't know if I can catch him. I am. Oh my goodness. Can I beat him to the half mile? Come on! That was interesting, Sean. I saw your car kick down sooner than mine. Mine just changed up as I was saying go, which wasn't ideal, and you got ahead, but then I started to pull you back in. But on the line, I think you got it, didn't you?
Yeah, it looked like you were coming in at the end there, though.
How are you feeling about things right now?
I think they've been deceptive with the figures on the Temerario, to be honest.
You mean they've lied, so people still buy the Revuelto?
Basically, yeah. Because of what's the Revuelto, 2.5 official, and the Temerario is 2.7?
Yeah.
We all know the official in a bit. I'll give you the official in a bit.
Yeah.
Don't you worry about that.
Right, let's take that kick down out of the equation. Same race, full on Corsa mode, manual changes for the gearbox, rolling in third. Also, Sean, I want you to look at your speed, and when you cross the line, shout out your speed. And you won't know, and I won't know, but the viewers will know which one was doing the higher trap speed as we cross the line. Okay, Sean. Now, you should win this, right? You've got more torque. You've got 1,060 newton meters. I've just got a mere 730. Although I don't believe it, do you?
No, I don't.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow. No turbo lag off that naturally aspirated engine. No, he's got me here. Guess who can't do his job properly?
Go on.
I didn't shout my top speed.
Mine went black on the screen, so I just had to guess roughly. 177, I think.
So we'll ignore that. What we're going to do is the same thing, and we'll get our camera team to go and put your GoPro on the whole time so we can actually see the speed on it, okay?
It's on now, the screen blacked just as I got near the cones.
Are you sure that wasn't you blacking out? But yeah, it's not on full, that's why. But, my God, your car just shot off. You're in third gear, right?
Yeah, that was third gear performance in Corsa mode.
Wait a minute, my car flipped into hybrid.
Yeah, it does that if you change the mode. You have to keep changing back to performance.
Okay, let's go back and do that again then, Sean. Did you get a little bit excited there?
Yeah, I think I've got this one.
I don't know that you're gonna have it now. Will this make a difference? I think it's gonna. Okay then, Sean, I'm gonna put my car into performance mode. Let's see if you win. And we'll call out our top speeds. 3, 2, 1, go. That's closer now. He is pulling ahead. Ah! No! Why? So I think your extra horsepower told there. My top speed was 179. What was yours?
I read mine as 178, but that can't be right.
Maybe it is right. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe like yours tailed off a bit more, mine kept pulling. I don't know. I wouldn't think it was that because your car's heavier, so the momentum might help it more at higher speed. It's about 100 kilos heavier. Yours is 1.9 tons and this is 1.8 tons. Let's do another race, but from a slower speed. Let's roll in for a half-mile race. Actually, Sean, if you think about it, in the first rolling race, this car was reeling you back in, so maybe this gets quicker at higher speed. And yours has this like area where it's just a bit faster, but then this comes past. I think we might find it out now.
Yeah, well that revs to like 10,500, doesn't it? So maybe that'll help. Before
we do this race, Sean, let's do a sound check, see which sounds the best. I think we know the answer already, but we need to be sure. Right, I'm gonna rev up my Temerario. Sounds pretty good. Just to be clear, does yours have an aftermarket exhaust on it, Sean?
Yeah, this has got a Gintani exhaust on.
If that's the case, I'm going to put my window up. Go for it.
What is this sound? Kept me up all night. Must have been near 80 to 90 decibels, filled the entire neighborhood.
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. Dr. Glenn McPherson says he heard a strange humming sound in his home. At first, he thought it was an appliance.
That's enough of that. Let's do this rolling race. So we're going to roll in 10 miles an hour. The starter's going to start us and we'll race the whole length. Once again, shout out your top speed to camera. Unless it's really close on the line and we need to see who's winning. But okay, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
it. It's not pulling though now. That's really interesting. Like yours went off and then mine was reeling you back in and then yours just started to get a bit quicker again. So strange. What speed were you doing as you crossed the line?
It looked about 188, 189.
I think I might have hit 190, I'm not sure. I couldn't really tell. It was in the high 180s or 190. Let's do the drag race, but before we do, let's make sure that our tyres are fully warmed up. Quick brake test. When we reach the line, full emergency stop, which will win. If you'd rather watch another drag race with the Revuelto, click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here. I never know what to do with this bloody thing. God, just put it between my legs. Oh, it's so close! Hey! So on the brakes, Temerario does it.
Yeah, this weighs a little bit more, doesn't it?
Just a little, 100 kilos, that's all. Very close though. I think that's the first time these brakes have had a good old squeeze. I might just run it up there and back to cool it down, and then we're going to go drag race. Remember, it's already 1-0 to the Temerario, and it's best 3 out of 5. All right, Sean, are you feeling a little bit more confident this time?
Yeah, I think I've got this one.
You think it might have been a warm tyres thing?
Yeah, we can blame the tyres.
Do you really think you've got this?
I do now, we've done a few more races, yeah.
Has he? Is he right? I can feel tension. Feel it. It's exciting. It's not even my car. I'm really excited.
3,
Neck and neck launch. Oh, I think I've got it.
Come on, Revuelto.
Oh! Oh. No, he's not going to catch me now. We launched together, but I think you maybe had a bit more wheel spin than I had, and so I just got ahead and stayed ahead. That's 2-0 in the drag races. You absolutely, positively need to win the next one to stay in it. Do you think you can?
Yeah, I'll try better next time.
Well, let's do it then.
3,
I think you had a better start than me. Come on.
Come on.
Right, trim level.
Oh, this is so close.
Oh man, that was absolutely insane. You went off a little bit ahead of me, then I caught up and I got a bit ahead, but then you sort of came back, and I do not know who won that. What do you reckon?
I don't know, it looked like you may be a tiny bit ahead, but that was neck and neck. That was close.
Right, I'm going to find out. I'm going to go see the cameraman and see. How close was that?
It was unbelievably close.
Really close?
It was, yeah.
Let's have a look.
Close. I'll let you see.
See. Oh, you can just about see if I just pause it. Wow. Okay. Hey Sean, guess what? This car did 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds.
So, the same as this, despite it should be doing it a bit slower according to Lamborghini.
Also, guess what?
Go on.
You lost. Here's the times.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the photo finish reveals that the Temerario just about beat the Revuelto, but both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 9.9 seconds.
Listen, I just want to say huge thanks to Sean for bringing his car down and being a really good sport, and to Joe for bringing his Temerario straight from the dealer for us to race. Check out his Instagram, Affluent Time. Does watches, look. Probably not like this watch, some old the Samsung watch. Now, if you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, click on the CarWow logo to check out the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.